Here is our first topic for Unit 6. This is the percent increase and decrease medium video, in which we'll look at how to find the percent increase or decrease from one number to another. Now, it would be a good idea if you had this note sheet in front of you while you're going through these videos so you can take some notes. You're going to do that in this first upper left-hand corner box right here, percent increase and decrease, where it says worked examples. Before we jump into some examples, we're going to talk a little bit about how we go about finding the percent increase and decrease. In every problem we see in the medium skills, you are going to be given two values. You're going to be given an original value and then a new value. And then you're going to be asked to find the percent increase or decrease of those. So basically, we just want to figure out how far apart those two numbers are. And to do that, we need to go back several units where we talked about the absolute value. So that's those little bars right there, those to help us determine how far apart two numbers are. So while we're going through these problems and we subtract the original number or the original value from and the new value, all of our answers, we're just going to change them into positive numbers. So we'll have a positive number on top, and then we're going to divide that by our original value. If you're not sure if the problem is giving you a percent increase or decrease, all you need to do is look at the new value. If the new value is bigger, then it's going to be an increase. If the new value is smaller, it's going to be a decrease. Here is our first worked example. It says Gianna went shopping for a new camera because of a sale. The price tag was $26, but Gianna paid $13. Find the percent discount. Now, because I see that our new value, the amount that she actually paid, is less than our original price, which was $26. So here's our original right there. Here is our new price right there. I know that this is going to be a percent decrease problem. So I set up my numbers just like I had on the previous slide. So I got 26 minus 13 because I've got my new number or my old number minus my new number. And then I'm going to divide that by my old number, so my original number. Okay, so I know 26 minus 13 is going to give me an answer of 13, and I'm going to continue dividing that by 26. Now, if I use my calculator, I know that 13 divided by 26 is 0.5. But I want that as a percent because that's what it's asking me for. So I'm going to take that and multiply it by 100. So 0.5 times 100, which gives me 50%. So my percent discount is 50%. Here is our second example. It says 1 year the population of a city was 209,000. Several years later, it was 217,360. Find the percent increase. So in this problem, I went ahead and told us this is a percent increase problem, but we could have seen that anyway because our new population is bigger than our old population. So here's our new population. Here's our old population. Now, if we set that up like we did on our previous problem, we have 209,000 minus 217,360 divided by 209,000. So our old value minus our new value divided by our old value. All right. Now, if I do that math, I'm going to end up with a negative number. But that absolute value symbol I showed you on that previous slide, we're going to change that to a positive 8,360. And that's the number we're going to divide by 209,000. At this point, I don't really know what 8,360 divided by 209,000 is, so I'm just going to hop on to my calculator, which looks like turns out to be 0.04. Now, I need that as a percent, not a decimal, so just like I did on the previous slide, I'm going to do 0.04 times 100, which gives me an answer of 4%. So, in this problem, we had an increase in the population of 4%. Now, you are all ready to go for your problems on Delta Math. You should look for percent increase, decrease, medium questions. And if you want to know how to do a percent increase and decrease problem all in one step so you can find a new total, check out the spicy video.